What if I told you people are making over $5,000 per month without recording a single video or showing their face, even using other people's content? Yes, you heard that right. No camera, no voice, no editing skills, just smart work. And one little-known platform called Whop. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step without skipping any part. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to find the highest paying programs. Some give you $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, which is even more than YouTube pays. Whop is a website where creators let you promote their video clips on social media. And if your post gets views, you get paid. Let's say you post a video clip on your Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. If that clip gets 1,000 views, you might earn $3 to $5 depending on the program. That's like YouTube RPM, but faster and without needing a YouTube channel. Now, many of you asked in the comments, where's that program that pays $5 per 1,000 views? Well, I'm going to show you 3 programs today, including one that pays $5 for just 1,000 views. Before we go further, you need to create a free Whop account. I already explained how to sign up and connect your socials in my second video. Check that out in the description. Once your account is ready, go to the Whop homepage and click on Discover. You'll see tons of programs available. Click on See All Content Rewards. This is where the magic happens. Now scroll and look for programs offering $3, $4, even $5 per 1,000 views. I found one earlier that pays $3 and I'll show you how to use it. This part is important. Make sure you don't pick a random program. Look for the ones that offer $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, have clear instructions, and give you video clips you can post. Once you find a good one, click on it. You'll see all the details, how much you'll get, what platforms to post on, and how they track your views. Let me walk you through it. First, open the program and read the instructions carefully. They usually share a Google Drive link or a YouTube channel you'll need to use for the video clips. In this case, they've given us a YouTube channel name. Go to the YouTube channel mentioned in the guide. Pick any video from that channel. Download the video. Now we'll turn that long video into short, viral clips using an AI tool called Nexus Clip. Link is in the description. Here's what to do. Click on the Nexus Clip link below. Sign up and log in. On the dashboard, click Create Video. Upload the YouTube video you downloaded. The tool will show an interface where you can choose the language, click on Create Clips, and then hit Close. Now give it about 10 to 15 minutes. Nexus Clip will automatically cut the video into multiple short clips for you. Once Nexus Clip finishes processing your video, it takes just a few minutes. You'll see a screen on the right showing all the clips it has created. Each clip will have a virality score. This tells you which clips are more likely to go viral. Here's what to do next. Choose the clip with the highest virality score. You can also type in a short description to generate new clips if you want. Click on the clip you want and it will open in the editing interface. Now here comes the fun part, customizing your clip. In the editor, you can adjust the framing of the video, especially useful if there are multiple people in the clip. You'll also see a top right section where you can add a watermark. Make sure to add your name or brand here so if the video goes viral, people know it's your content. Now scroll down to the subtitle section. Select your language. Click Generate Subtitles. Within seconds, your subtitles will appear. Customize the font, size, and color to match your style. Subtitles are super important. They keep people watching, especially on mute. Once everything looks good, your video is ready. Now click the Share button. From here, you can do 2 things. Either download the clip and post it on your TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or connect your YouTube Shorts channel or TikTok account and upload directly from Nexus Clip. Important. Make sure your social media accounts are linked to your Whop account so your views are tracked and you earn your money. If you're confused about how to create a Whop account or submit your links, don't worry. I've explained it all in my second video. The link is in the description below. Also, I've added the Nexus Clip link there too. Everything you need is just a click away. So what are you waiting for? Start uploading, get those views, and earn your first $1,000 without recording a single video. Like, subscribe, and let's grow together. More secret methods are coming soon, and you won't want to miss them.